This video focuses on managing and processing orders effectively when using Spocket for dropshipping. Understanding how to handle orders is essential for ensuring a smooth workflow and keeping customers satisfied. First, navigate to the orders section in your Spocket dashboard. Here, you will find a complete list of all orders that have been placed by your customers. This view provides a clear overview of pending, processed, or completed orders, allowing you to track each step efficiently. Once you access an order, you can click on it to see the details of the product that has been purchased. This step is important to verify the product, check its availability, and ensure it is ready for shipment. The interface allows you to confirm that the order has been received and is being processed correctly by the supplier. Processing the order involves reviewing the product information and confirming that all details match the customer's request. You can then proceed to mark the order as fulfilled or shipped once it has been handled. Spocket provides notifications and status updates so that you always know the current stage of each order. It is important to regularly check the orders section because new customer purchases can appear at any time. Prompt action helps prevent delays and improves overall customer satisfaction. By consistently monitoring and processing orders, you ensure that your dropshipping business operates efficiently and maintains a professional standard. In conclusion, managing orders on Spocket requires attention to detail and timely action. By understanding where to find your orders, checking product details, and confirming fulfillment, you can streamline your dropshipping workflow and provide a reliable service to your customers. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.